Guys, they stop us here on the road. I suspect that they're gonna fell a tree. That happened once with me as well. So let's see what's happening there. Seems if we can go closer. And it's raining today, so there's no painting for us on the wagon. But I have other good news that I will show you when I come at home. There goes a tree. I hope you could see it. I fell it to the other side. Last time it was over the road. So I guess we will drive now. So it was only for safety. Okay, there we go. Okay guys, here is the good news. I eventually found my drone battery. You remember I always say my drone battery is gone and I can't find it. And my wife found it today between her stuff. There's the battery and there is its USB charger. So I'm charging the battery now up, guys, so that we can fly the drone again. Okay, so but as you've seen, it rained, so we can't do nothing to the trailer today. Okay, let's take it from here. Okay guys, and here is my Cumas airless spray gun. It have no air. There's a pump inside that pressurizes the paint, and it will shoot out here. So there's another spray nozzle that you can put on. So this works okay. I've tried it once, guys, with water-based paint, and it doesn't work too well, but I'm going to take a chance with enamel. And there is our ratio. This is now for the cup. If you fill the cup, and it will take, you see there's a hole in there. It is the top one, lacquers and enamels for cars. 18 to 22 seconds it must drain as per the drawing, and then you'll know your thickness is good. So we're going to do that exercise tomorrow, and then we will do the spray painting with this, and hopefully it come out nice. Just for guys that is interested, you can pause. There is how to adjust your spray pattern, and you can stay there and read for yourself. But they talk about is this. We will start by on the fully left, pull the trigger, and then start rotating it clockwise until you find a nice spray cone shape there, and then you can proceed. Just to show, guys, it's raining. There's a trailer full of water. Okay guys, here we go for the first startup in, I would say, at least a year and a half. I charge the battery and I hope it is full. I'm gonna leave the battery there. Okay, you can see everything is blinking. And you can see I put 2 files there through the skids to keep it on the ground because it rains outside and I can definitely not fly it in the rain. So I'm gonna switch on the radio. And you can hear this gyro has synchronized itself. So I'm gonna push it forward and backwards, and it will run now, it's supposed to, if I push it again. Oh, but I've got bad contact. There it is. I need to trim it. Well, I've got bad contact here on the batteries. You can see that's the problem due to standing so long. You can see that I put it on and you don't want to go on. This is just, I put new batteries in, guys, but there's a contact problem. You can see the screen is dead, but it's new batteries. So let me just check and bring you back. Okay, I get it to my contact. You can see the batteries is full. Okay, let's run it up again. I'm going to trim it a little bit. You can see how that right rear one starts turning when I trim it. So this is now going forward. Let me trim it that way. Lost contact again. Okay guys, we've got a sort of a radio problem. Bad contact inside. It seems the trims is okay. I just want to show you. You can see the battery life is 90%, 97%, 96%. And you can see there, the trims is now right in the center. And on the bottom, it needs a little bit of adjustment. That right one is centered. Go out of the side, check left. One more. Okay, centered. So it's 100% equal. That is, sorry, that's not battery. It's the calibration on the trims. Let's run it a little bit. I want to test the battery to see the life. I pull it a little bit back. It seems if the battery wasn't full, if there's the stop, it will stop now. So the battery wasn't full, guys. I need to check out how this, I'm not sure when the light go off, there's a LED inside, it is full, or must it burn from the beginning and go off when it is full. So I can't remember. Battery is a little bit warm now, so I will check that out and ensure that I know how the charge work cycle, and then we can start flying it when the weather is better. Okay. Alright, my friends, hope you liked the video. Something of everything, and see you on the next one. Bye.